And we're back to learning Photoshop in the year day 192. Let me show the colored pencil filter. Copy the original, press Ctrl J, then under filter, filter gallery, a new window should pop up. You can resize that, and let me zoom a little bit out, so hold Alt and use the mouse wheel. First option under artistic is the color pencil, and you can see all of these other options and filters and folders. Same is organized here in the drop down. So if we pick, for example, halftone pattern, this is just a new filter in the sketch folder. We're going to stick to color pencil. We have 3 options to adjust it. The first one is pencil width. This simply controls the thickness of the color pencils. I don't want to go too high. For this example, we want to have a very realistic result. So let me go to around 6. And then the stroke pressure is very important. This affects the darkness and intensity of your stroke lines. For a realistic result, you actually want to go down quite a lot, but not too much, because when you go to 0, everything's going to vanish. The more you go up, the more of these pencil strokes you'll get. So for a realistic result, stay very low. I may go to 4 or 5. And finally, the paper brightness is then for the background color. So how bright or dark should it be? I'm gonna go very high here, so let me go to the max of 50. And then just simply confirm we are okay. Here was the original, and here's our colored pencil filter. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.